runway 5, departing from the ramp, A1, come back.
All right. Right away here, we leave the airport. We're over the FAU campus here, the newly remodeled stadium on our left. This is the new overpass they've just put in on Dixie, right in front of us here. You can get a real good perspective of just how flat Florida is from up here. Of course, you had already known that, but now you get to see it. In fact, there's the one hill in this area just off on our right, and it's kind of cheating. It's landfill, man-made. So here you got quite a bit more of the intercoastal here, cut into these nice straight lines. It allows everybody to have their own waterfront property. Yep, so here's the Hillsborough Inlet. Allows access, obviously, from the ocean to the intercoastal. There's the Hillsborough Lighthouse right on the end there. Here we're going to be making a left turn around the lighthouse here. You'll be able to see the reef, which you can kind of make out there. This gives you a nice good view as we come over. The water's pretty clear today, nice bright out, so you can see all the way down. Sand, the rocks in it. You can even see where the how accurate those markers are for the channel cut in the reef. So if you go boating, make sure you adhere to those, because you don't got a whole lot of give. This is the Hillsborough Mile, or the Millionaire Mile as they call it. I've just recently been told this is Adam Sandler's house that he's been building for a year or so now. This is Deerfield Beach we're coming up on, marked by these sea breakers here. This is, of course, public beach, as is evident by the number of people on it. We're going to be coming over this white building with the green windows on our left here. It has private rooftop swimming pools on top of it. Here was the Boca Raton Inlet, which leads right into Lake Boca Raton, a little square body of water. The pink tower and the pink building is on the left at Boca Raton Resort. This is Meisner Park just below us here on the left.